Three, two, one. Hey folks, welcome to Crazy Gamers Models. How you guys doing today? This is going to be a channel update and a look at what's to come for the future of Crazy Gamers Models. I have decided to bring some order to my channel because order is good, and I am going to be releasing a schedule starting Monday of next week. It is currently August 5th, 2019, and this coming Monday will start a release schedule of certain things. I'm going to go over that now. On Monday, there will be a channel update and a look at the week ahead. So it'll be a short channel update video, kind of like this one, talking about what's going to happen in that week. On Tuesdays, and this is for the foreseeable future until projects are done and things like that. On Tuesdays will be kit reviews or tool reviews, depending on what is up to be done. It could be a tool review, it could be a kit look at a kit sprues, it could be a look at some paint, it could be a review of any kind of thing. On Wednesdays will be my building technique series. The first video is already up on the channel. On Thursdays will also be a miscellaneous kit review, tool review. Check out this tool kind of thing. Check out this paint. Check out this technique kind of thing. Thursday's kind of a grab bag. Friday will be a week in review. I will go over everything that happened from Saturday to Thursday of the previous 7 days, basically. Well, 6 days. You don't really count Friday because not much happens on the Fridays. So that will cover that. It'll sum up everything that happened in the videos over the last 6 days and show you the progress that was made and things like that. On Saturday will be the Jagdtiger. So every Saturday until the Jagdtiger's built, there'll be a video on the Jagdtiger going up. And on Sunday will be the Panther A late. That's this Panther right here that I'm working on. I need to get back into it. It'll be working on that. Now this is, barring hardship and, injury or sickness, or as long as I'm able to get the videos up, I'm going to get the videos up in that time frame. If a video is missed for that day, the schedule will resume the next day. Also on my Thursdays, Tuesdays or Thursdays could be days I work on the Burnt Panther. Because as you can see, I stripped the paint off of the top hull section, and I'm going ahead and glue some more stuff on it, tools and stuff, and get those taken care of. Try to get it to look like this back panel. So that could be on Tuesdays or Thursdays. Tuesdays I kind of want to keep for tool reviews or kit reviews, or look at some stuff I use, and then Thursdays is kind of a grab bag on what I'm going to do. But as you can see, I got some different tools here. Got some work on the building technique series. That's going to be a little bit further than what you've seen in the videos so far. And then this is, some products that I'm going to take a look at coming up. I got a whole section of some mission model paints I want to look at. I got some of this ZAM push-up buffing compound. I got some mandrels and some quick chucks. So this is stuff that's going to be coming up in the channel and things like that. So I'm not going to make this too terribly long. I'm going to try to make this as my intro video for my channel. I can figure out how to do that. But this is going to do it for this video. I want to thank all my supporters. Thank my Patreon. Thank you so much. I'm going to start trying to get more organization and better quality content out on a more regular basis, so you guys know what's coming and what to expect from me, because I want a more professional channel here. I may not do professional videos, but I want it to seem more professional and things like that. So you guys have a good day, and for Crazy Gamer Models, I am the Crazy Gamer. You You guys have a fantastic day.